Principle self-organization. In this episode, we will be looking at self-organization as an organizational design principle. Let's start with understanding what is self-organization. Self-organization is the phenomenon explaining the emergence of order and pattern at a global level through local interactions of the parts of a system without an external agent pushing it. Self-organizing behavior, starting from a cellular level to physical, social systems, including businesses, is associated with adaptation and survival. However, within the realm of organizational design, the idea of allowing individuals to self-organize can be counterintuitive, since order in organizations is imposed top-down through hierarchical design, careful planning, and operationalization. Regardless, the principles of self-organization can be seen gaining increasing prominence in organizations. Let's look at some examples. The Ren-Dan-He-Yi model instituted by Haier is perhaps the most important modern example of how self-organization challenges conventional hierarchical thinking. In this model, the enterprise has been transformed to operate as a market-facing network of 4,000 self-governing microenterprises. This allows employees within these microenterprises to form connections, set ambitious goals, and pursue innovation without the internal monopolies of HR, IT, legal, and so on. Another good example is British Petroleum's experiment with an intra-company marketplace for buying and selling pollution credits, which is typically a hierarchical process where the target is set by executives. The self-organizing exchange allowed business units to leverage free market dynamics to exceed its targets, enhance reputation, and save money at the same time. And it goes further. Businesses such as Zappos and Mercedes-Benz have formally adopted holacracy, which is a management-free organizational model based on the principles of self-organization, where authority is replaced by a set of rules empowering employees to take decisions on projects and collaboration. And this isn't just theory. A recent quantitative survey reveals that the adoption of self-organizing principles helps companies beat their rivals in terms of entrepreneurial activity, talent attraction and retention, as well as financial performance. So what does it take to adopt self-organization as a design principle? Understanding self-organizing dynamics starts with appreciating the complex, adaptive nature of businesses, where self-organization is a default behavior, which is restricted by bureaucratic structures. Research reveals that creating the context, or bounds, within which individuals can exchange diverse perspectives and influence each other through learning and sharing can promote self-organizing behavior. Freedom to form networks to pursue shared objectives, not restricted by boundaries created by formal structures, is of utmost importance. A change in organizational culture is equally important to ensure that there's enough room for evolutionary behavior, supported through employee empowerment and management trust, along with confidence in employees. This all leads to the key management question to ask: are we leaving room for self-organization?